Allu Arjun to appear before the Namapalli court today as his 14 days judicial remand ends today. Telugu actor Allu Arjun will appear online due to security reasons. On the 13th of December, Allu Arjun was arrested by the police. The Namapalli court had previously remanded the Telugu actor to 14 days of judicial remand. This comes shortly after, a couple days after in fact, the Telugu film industry, including directors, producers, actor Allu Arjun and many other megastars met with Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. We're also being joined by my colleague Aneri to get us more on this story. Aneri, Allu Arjun is supposed to appear before the Namapalli court today. In fact, in the meeting clearly with Revanth Reddy, nothing has changed. He will appear online. Tell us more details about this.
Well, what we have been seeing is that Namapalli court had given 14 days of judicial remand for actor Allu Arjun on the day when he was arrested on the 13th of December. And today the judicial remand of Allu Arjun ends. And that's the reason why Allu Arjun was supposed to appear before the Namapalli court in person. And that's the reason why you see the security here which has been but however, now the council had approached the court and due to security reasons, now the court has granted that he can appear before the court through online. So Allu Arjun will be appearing virtually, and now the hearing will begin in a short while from now. And also at the same time, Allu Arjun's counsel will be also filing a regular bail petition as well. So definitely this has come as after just days after how Allu Arjun was granted 14 days of judicial remand, and then he was also granted for 4 weeks of interim bail. And yesterday, how we had seen that there was a crucial meeting that had taken place between the film industry and the Chief Minister, basically the government officials and the Chief Minister, who there was a meeting which went on. So definitely there were a lot of discussions that took place, but now we will be seeing that Allu Arjun will be appearing before the court online, and also at the same time this is in regard with as his judicial remand ends today. So also at the same time Allu Arjun's counsel is likely to file a regular bail plea as well.
Right, Aneri, thank you so much. But for now, we'll be moving on to track another breaking news. Erudite, humble, with an illustrious career and an unblemished political standing. The more that is said about Dr. Manmohan Singh, the less it seems. Tributes have been pouring in from across the globe for former Prime Minister Dr. Manmohan Singh, who passed away at the age of 92 yesterday in the evening. Despite his illness, he attended the Parliament in a wheelchair to vote on the Delhi Services Bill on the 7th of August 2023. Hailing Manmohan Singh's dedication, Prime Minister Modi has said Manmohan Singh was a shining example of how conscious an MP is about his responsibilities. Take a look at this.
Dr. Manmohan Singh had made his last appearance in the Rajya Sabha in August 2023. Despite his frail health, Dr. Manmohan Singh attended Parliament in a wheelchair to take part in a parliamentary debate on a bill that granted the central government more control over administrative matters in Delhi. Symbolic of his dedication and resilience, Dr. Manmohan Singh left a lasting impression on those who witnessed his steadfast devotion to his duties. While speaking in the Rajya Sabha in February 2024, Prime Minister Modi praised Dr. Manmohan Singh's dedication, saying, and I quote, "He worked even in a wheelchair," unquote. Prime Minister Modi recalled, and I quote, "I remember in the other house during the voting, it was known that the Treasury bench would win. But Dr. Manmohan Singh came in his wheelchair and cast his vote," unquote.
इतना ही नहीं, मैं देख रहा था कभी कमेटी के चुनाव हुए, कमेटी मेंबर्स के, वो व्हीलचेयर में वोट देने आए। डॉक्टर मनमोहन सिंह जी व्हीलचेयर में आए, वोट किया। एक सांसद अपने दायित्व के लिए कितना सजग है उसका वो उदाहरण है।
Manmohan Singh's spirit to cast vote, despite being on wheelchair, is a testament to his determination and resilience of a leader who pivoted India's growth story and ushered an era of change.